In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Lovable app publicly. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, publishing your app so it can be accessed by users around the world is a thrilling step in your app development journey. Now let's dive into the process and make sure you have everything you need to get your app out into the world. First, you'll want to open up the main interface where all your projects are conveniently located. Here, you'll have a clear view of all the projects you've been working on. This overview is incredibly useful, especially if you're managing multiple projects, as it helps keep everything organized. Next, it's time to select the specific project that you wish to publish. Make sure you've finalized all the details of your app, tested it thoroughly, and feel confident with the version you're about to share. Selecting the right project ensures you're editing the correct build and are ready for the all-important publishing step. Once you have your project selected, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Publish button. It's in this spot that you'll initiate the publishing process. Clicking Publish is like unlocking the door to your app reaching its audience, and it's as simple as pressing a button. From here, the interface will prompt you through several steps to finalize the process. As we proceed, it's essential to follow the system's directions closely to ensure a smooth transition from development to publication. After clicking Publish, you'll be presented with a Continue button. Clicking Continue signals your readiness to move forward, confirming that you've checked everything thoroughly and are prepared to go public. It sets the stage for the next phase of the publishing process, so feel free to take a moment to recap or double-check any crucial details about your app here. On the subsequent screen, you'll see the option to make your app public. Selecting Public is the moment you make your app accessible to the world, where any user can download and interact with your creation. Confirming this setting is pivotal as it allows broader reach and visibility, placing your app in the spotlight it deserves. As you navigate these prompts, the system will guide you through any additional details or confirmations needed. Pay close attention to any on-screen instructions, as these will ensure all necessary elements are in place and that there are no oversights in the publishing process.